welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful jumper blouse. Make a slip knot and chaining. I made 72 chains and marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and mark this chain. Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 chains in here, 24 chains in here, 12 chains, 24 chains. In total we have 72 chains. You have your foundation chain work, being careful not to twist the chain. Insert your hook into first chain, yarn over, join two chains together, pull through and slip knot. Make a chain, go to first chain, this chain, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, yarn over, go to first chain, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet. Now we have 2 stitches, 1 chain, 2 stitches in first chain. Yarn over, go to next chain, make 1 double crochet in 1 chain. One double crochet in 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet until this chain, marked chain. In first mark chain, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 4 stitches in 1 chain. Go to next chain, make 1 double crochet in 1 chain, 1 double crochet in 1 chain, make 1 double crochet in 1 chain until this marked chain. Make 1 double crochet in each chain from this marked chain. In this chain, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Go to next chain, make 1 double crochet in 1 chain, in third marked chain 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, one double crochet in last stitch, insert your hook into first chain top of first stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, and go to this corner, make 1 chain, yarn over, go to this corner, this corner, one double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. In first corner we have 1 2 3 4 stitches. Go to next stitch and make 1 double crochet in each stitch, one double crochet in each stitch, go to second corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and make 1 corner, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet in this corner and continue, make 1 double crochet in each stitch until next corner, until this corner. Make 2 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 2 double crochet in this corner and make 1 double crochet until here, 1 double crochet in each stitch. Go to first chain, slip stitch, for next row slip stitch and go to first corner, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in each stitch until corner. Continue like these rows, 1 double crochet in each stitch until corner, make corner same as before corners, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1 corner and continue. Slip stitch, go to this corner, first corner, make a chain, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet in first corner, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet in each stitch until next corner. In corners make 1 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 2 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, slip stitch, after these rows fold it like this. Now I have 24 stitches in these rows, in this row and this row, 12 stitches in these rows. Fold it, go to this corner and this corner, take 2 corners on your hook and slip stitch, pull through and slip stitch, make 1 chain, 1 double crochet, turn it, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each stitch, like this, 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch until these corners, until these corners. In these corners, yarn over, insert your hook into corners, take 2 corner on your hook and make 1 double crochet, yarn over, turn it, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet in 1 stitch, until this corner. Go to first chain, a slip stitch, make a 1 chain and make 1 double crochet in each stitch, like this. Continue for this row. A slip stitch, make a chain, 1 double crochet in each stitch, crochet more rows from here. A slip stitch,